Well, it's the new year, and for all of those investors who've been looking for some fresh stock ideas, top brokerage houses have in fact shared their best bets for the year 2023. So let's kickstart with HDFC Securities first. Now, the two top bets from their basket includes Indian Oil Corporation or IOC and also PNC Infratech. Now, let's start off with IOC first, or the Indian Oil Corporation. The brokerage house believes that it is likely to benefit the most among the peers from an uptick in the refining margin and also the robust petchem margins in the near term. Also, the target that they expect the stock to achieve this year would be 100 rupees, a clear 30% upside from the current levels as well. Their second pick is PNC Infratech, and it expects that the company has robust revenue visibility over the next 2 to 3 years, and the government also plans to expand the national highway, which augurs well for the company going forward. Now, the target that HDFC Securities has shared for PNC Infratech is 410 rupees per equity share, and that's about a 40% upside from the current levels as well. Next, let's take two picks from IIFL Securities basket too. The IIFL Securities has actually bet from the first pick from the banking space and the second one from the travel tech space. The first one is SBI, the country's largest bank. Now, IIFL Securities believes the bank is expected to deliver on the back of strong loan growth, the sharp margin expansion that we've seen, and the asset quality improvement as well. IIFL Securities expects SBI to deliver its return on equity of about 1% as well for FY24 going forward from here. Now, the second pick for them this year is RateGain Travel, which IIFL believes the deal pipeline is at an all-time high. So that's a big positive for the company. The pace of closures is also very healthy, and it also believes that the company can actually see the EBITDA margins reaching about 20% by FY25, and that's among the strong travel demand. The target price it believes that the company can reach is 405 rupees per share, and that's about 42% upside from the current level. So clear winner right there. Also, the next one is from JM Financial Services. Now, this brokerage house has recommended from the banking space ICICI Bank as their top bet for 2023, and the second bet that they have chosen for this year is Sapphire Foods. Let's start off with ICICI Bank first. Now, the brokerage house believes that the target that they've kept for 2023 is 1100 rupees for the share. It also believes that this banking stock is all set to get re-rated, as the bank has already delivered strong compounding returns and has also cemented its stalwart position with strong capital ratios and the steady asset quality as well. Now, for Sapphire Foods, on the other hand, their target is 1750 rupees, as the store addition trajectory remains quite ahead of the expectations as well, with Pizza Hut on a strong footing too, and a likely bounce back in KFC India business with the non-veg consumption normalizing now, and the moderation of the inflationary pressures that should yield strong performance going forward for this. Now, the next two bets are from Kotak Securities. Kotak Securities has first bet on Shriram Finance, where it believes that the company can actually emerge as the second largest retail-focused NBFC in India, and that's post the merger of Shriram City Union and Shriram Transport Finance. And also, this new business structure, they believe, can be favorable and also support growth going forward. The target that they've shared for this stock is 1675 rupees per share. That's about a 21% upside from the current levels. Now, from the mining space also, their next bet is for 2023 is NMDC, which they're betting on for a target of 130 rupees. Now, this company has actually announced a 9% price cut of iron ore to revive the volumes. Now, for Kotak, this is a strong re-rating candidate too. Motilal Oswal Financial Services too has a banking stock as one of their top picks, and that is Axis Bank for a target of 1050. Now, the bank, as per the brokerage firm, has also been reporting strong growth in retail and the mid-corporate segments as well, which would be the key growth drivers along with the MSME going forward from here. So that's the pick that they have. The last stock pick that we are going to be discussing today for 2023 is Jubilant Foods, and that's also from Motilal Oswal Financial Services basket. Now, that's another top pick, and given that the best balance sheet there is to fund expansion and the proven track record of this company of managing both store expansions and the triple SG growth, the technology edge also that it has over the peers, these are the factors with which they have actually preferred this company as a top bet for 2023. The target price for this company, as per Motilal Oswal Financial Services, is 740 rupees per equity share, and this is a sharp 45% upside from the current levels. So we've actually seen these 10 stock picks that have actually given or could have a potential to give about 20 to 45% upside returns in this year 2023. And in case you're looking at investing in any of the top bets suggested by the top global brokerage houses, do speak to your own financial advisor as well. Many thanks for tuning in.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.